The moment has finally arrived. My 1973 VW Beetle is about to get the glow up of its life. The bodywork begins and the interior is finally ready. And trust me, you are not ready for this reveal. Here it is in 3, 2, 1. What on earth? Hold up, I haven't even seen this interior yet, so let's jump back to my first reaction of the brand new interior.
So that
I'm gonna vomit.
they're looking at me.
Are you directing me right? But I can see the reflection in your... No, but tell me if there's a step.
Nothing. There's nothing, it's just flat ground.
There's no car. I actually feel ill.
Don't turn around.
Okay. Can I look? Oh, my hat, Roger! What on earth? That is cash.
Yeah, it looks really
No ways that looks good. And compared to what it looked like, no flipping way. Roger, this is too good. So what has actually been done? Well, the guys at Miriam Motor Spares have absolutely killed this interior. We've done the front seats, obviously completely reupholstered, painted the bottom, back, sides, rear seats have been done. These door cards have been redone with the pockets added, rear door cards, full carpets, 9-piece carpets. We've got door sills, you name it, and the color, don't even get me started. Let me know what you think. This really is the heart of the transformation. For me, I have always dreamt about this particular spec and the look that I want this Beetle to be. If you look, for me, there's no better interior than a tanned interior, and the fact that I actually own all of this and it's going in a car that I'm rebuilding is surreal. What a privilege, what an honor. And yet, we are just getting started. Join me where we get this body with insane amount of work started. The interior is fresh, but the outside, a total disaster. We're talking moss, rust, and panels that are barely holding on. But don't worry, it's getting stripped, sandblasted, welded, and repainted. This Beetle's about to go from junkyard reject to jaw dropper. Hopefully. Imagine this, the greatest VW Beetle build the world has ever seen, a machine so iconic that even Herbie himself would be jealous. But building legends takes fuel, and that's where you come in. By donating to my Buy Me a Coffee, you're fueling this insane build and helping me turn this dream into a reality. Because let's be real, parts aren't free. Alright, enough of my sales pitch and back to the bodywork. And just like that, it's on the move. This is where the build took shape, where the dream started, but now it's time for the next chapter. No holding back. Every rusted bolt, dented panel, and crusty bit is coming off. It's getting stripped to the absolute bone. Rust gone, dents fixed, weak spots welded. This shell is getting a second chance. Soon, this won't even look like the same car. Fresh paint, fresh panels. Get ready for a jaw dropper. The body is getting a full makeover, but so is the engine, stripped, rebuilt, and ready for a whole new life. So stay tuned, this Beetle's comeback is just getting started.